The installation here at site has so far been very smooth due to the tight cooperation between Stena Rotor Norsepower, Stena Rotor Weihai CMI shipyard, and the combination of us three. We are very happy about the cooperation and the openness between all the parties. The installation of Norsepower Rotor Sails here on Stena Connecta is a clear example on how we are driving the innovation to reduce emission, improve efficiency. To sail assisted by the wind is of course a special feeling, because the wind is something we have always available at sea. We are very much looking forward to see this ship in operation, first on the trials and then on the homeward bound, and then later on her home route in Irish Sea between Belfast and Asia.
It's a great chance to get to install rotor sails on their vessel and work together with such safety-oriented company. And here we are with two installed rotor sails on board the vessel. This will give us a unique opportunity to compare the effectiveness of Norsepower rotor sails both to the customer and for Norsepower.